Welcome to the Hard Reset channel. Today I'll show you how to add a contact on the Samsung Galaxy A72. So first open the phone app and then go to the contact section. Click on the plus and here you can choose where you want to save your contact, on your Google account or just on your phone. All you really need for a contact is the name and the phone number. So let's enter the name. Let's say John Doe. It's not a real person. Next, let's enter his phone number. Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can add several. You can also add labels to them, like homework, fax, or pager. Yes, you can add email. You can also change the email labels here as well. Let's press a few more. You can add address. You can add a birthday or other important dates. You can also connect them to other contacts via relationships. You can add them to groups and such. So fill out the information. As I said, you only really need the name and the phone number. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Hard Reset channel for more videos. Leave a like, leave a comment, and goodbye.